Hi everybody, my name is Ayman Khushoy. I am your instructor today. My contact information on the screen: LinkedIn, Google, work mail and cell phone. My product is developing an Android application, Windows application, VBA application and Maximo. The links of my product samples in MSCDN, Microsoft Developer Network, Google Play Store, and my channel on YouTube. The benefits of the course: learn how to use Microsoft Excel VBA, how to transfer your ideas to useful application, how to improve your company or work by using VBA. In advanced level, you can sell your application to customers. Who will attend this course? All users interested to know secrets of Excel VBA. All Excel users need to know the VBA codes. Anyone start learning programming. The components: how to understand our needs from Excel, how to install the developer tab on Excel, create the official report, transfer report to electronic version, editing the code of electronic report, test the electronic report, code to send the electronic report by mail to the manager, and conclusion. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.